In this next series on Law Made Simple, Q&A with Joshua Irvine, we'll dive into the legal questions that matter most to you. Legal problems can feel complicated, but Joshua's Q&A series makes them easier to understand, one question at a time.
Next question, Joshua. How do I protect my brand name, logo, and content from being copied by others?
One of the first things you could do is obviously a trademark application. If you feel like you're going to be doing anything outside of your local area, is a trademark. You could also use copyright protections in the same way for anything that's written or music or those kinds of things. The flip side of it, though, is you also have to be willing to defend it, which can be expensive. So it's not enough to just get those protections in place. You have to actually fight people, sue people, send out nasty letters to protect what you've built. Because if you don't, then the way at least it would work on the trademark side of things, if you don't defend your claim, you essentially are surrendering your claim to it being only for you. Mm-hmm. And the other side of it is just a little bit of probably misunderstanding. Even if you get a trademark, your only protection on a trademark is where you are reasonably using that in business. So if I get a trademark here, okay, my last name's Irvine, and so everybody thinks I'm based in California because of Irvine, California. And so when I was trying to get my domain name for my law firm, they were like, here's $20,000. I was like, nope. Because they assumed I was some big law firm in Irvine, California. So even if I get my name, I would not be able to prevent anybody else in the world from using something that's similar. I could only prevent people in my reasonable business market. So if my business market's in Utah, that's what I'm protecting. If my business market is Utah and Arizona and Colorado, fine. But I'm probably not going to be able to find somebody in Florida and say, you can't use my name, even though I'm not doing any business there. That's the only disconnect.
Okay.